Century, presence. The new wall washer REGOLO, the pinnacle of technology for architectural lighting. It's available in two lengths, 1 meter with 36 watt power and 50 centimeters with 18 watt power. It is made of die-cast aluminum with a tempered glass diffuser to ensure durability and longevity. The professional asymmetric optics have UGR19 and are available for all models in 1020 degree and 1060 degree, IP66 and IK08 protection, CAM certification, and 5-year warranty. Ensure maximum reliability for sustainable projects. The packaging includes wall washer REGOLO, IP68 linear connector, 7mm mounting bracket, screws and anchors, and the instruction manual. To proceed with installation, carefully insert the linear connector into the 30-centimeter power cable. Measure the distance between the brackets and mark the wall with points for drilling. 6 or 8mm drill holes according to the specifications, and insert the anchors. Secure the wall washer using the supplied screws, ensuring stability and alignment. It is necessary to select an appropriate driver based on the number of elements to be connected. Next, connect the 24-volt driver cable to ensure a proper and safe power supply to the system. The light option for each length and power include warm light at 3000 Kelvin, natural light at 4000 Kelvin, and the RGB white version to create luminous, multicolored, and customized scenographies. Specifically, the RGB white model requires the use of a controller necessary for proper color management. The connection between the controller and the wall washer is made via a 5-pin cable. Each controller can manage up to 10 units with the possibility of extending the number using a repeater and an additional power supply. Once installation is complete and all connections have been made through the controller, it is possible to adjust the desired color shade using the dedicated knobs, thereby achieving unique lighting effects capable of enhancing facades' structural elements and the aesthetics of both historic and modern buildings. Choose REGOLO to enhance architectural details with elegance, reliability, and resistance.